Yo, this is GSOW. It's a stand, 26 to 38 inches about in height. Check online for further detail about the product. Laptop, music, projectors, anything you want to put on there, even your camera. And we're going to show you what you get inside the box. You're saying, how could all that fit inside the box? Well, here we are. You got yourself a carrying bag. It's got a handle, just like that. I'm going to show you how easy these things are to set up. And we open up the bag. I'm going to open up the bag and show you how nicely they are packed. All well protected. Please take everything out of the bag before setting up. It's nice that we have a carrying bag with the handle, as well as a tote bag with the handle. On the table are 5 thumb bolts and screws, a strap, a right angle key, a bracket, the main base with a foam insert. You open up, and your tripod that you're going to open up. As it expands and opens, you can lock down into place to the heights you want with the thumb bolt. We have here is a bracket that we need to attach to the bottom, so we're going to turn around. If you put it on portrait mode or horizontal mode, you're going to take each of the bolts that are flat, the bracket and thumb bolt, you're going to start to lock down. You're going to repeat for the other 3. I'm taking the bolt, I'm sliding it through the hole here, and on the opposite side here, I'm locking down with the thumb bolt. We have a round hole and a square hole. And we have here's a large thumb bolt that we're going to take off. And we're going to slide the bolt out and place on and over. And then we're going to lock the big thumb bolt down. And then you're able to adjust accordingly. And place back on the actual top. You have 2 rubber bands that go over to hold your projector, laptop, and more. Adjust down accordingly. You're given a right angle Allen key, so in case you need to lock down the actual arms over here, you can loosen up and tighten up. The stand holds the laptop or projector, can be tilted, lifted up. It's at its maximum height with the legs extended on the bottom, with the holes that you're going to adjust your thumb bolt into. So this way, when you place this on the floor, it does not push down. So if you're looking for a stand for your projector, laptop, music, any type of work, taking notes, this may be something that you are looking for. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you. Adjust it to a portrait mode by switching out the bolts. Just take off the 2 bolts and then you're able to basically put everything in the actual main bag.